Hello everyone. If you are new, welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. For the regulars, thank you for your support. In this video, we bring to you Amagansett Container House in East Hampton, New York. A cubic matrix-like home installed in a record 2 days and fully completed in only 2 months. Stay tuned to find out more about this interesting modern container home. Welcome back. If you like our content and want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button below. If you have a container project or a container rental you would like us to feature on our channel, kindly get in touch by posting in the comment section below. Or you can contact us on our website sheltermode.com. Without further ado, let's get started. The home, dubbed the Amagansett Modular House, is a scalable prefab container house designed by the New York-based architecture firm MB Architecture. The home is located on a wedge-shaped wooded lot with only one neighbor to the north. This light-filled shipping container home is wrapped around a mature oak tree, embracing the outdoors in more ways than one. The main structure of the house is built using 4 40-foot shipping containers. 2 40-foot shipping containers are placed side by side and 2 more stacked on top. An additional 40-foot container is added onto the main volume to create a separate bedrooms wing within the 1,800 square feet of living space. The containers were prefabricated off-site before being trucked to the site. The whole building was installed in a record 2 days and fully completed in only 2 months. The client's brief was modified to respond to the sloping site, which informed the placement and the orientation of the west-facing building. On the ground floor, a path with mahogany decking from driveway leads into the main entrance, which ushers you into a spacious entrance lobby, a galley kitchen, and a powder room on one side, and an amphitheatrical stairwell and bedroom on the other. Next to the staircase of the main living room is a private guest bedroom facing the entrance. The guest bedroom is fitted with a full-height glass window for maximum daylighting and unrestricted picturesque views of the sloping landscape. A fully fitted galley kitchen accessed from the entrance lobby connects to a double-volume living space. The minimalist kitchen is outfitted with Korean countertops, white cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen backsplash is fully tiled with custom herringbone tiles to give the kitchen space a modern finish. The kitchen has a small peninsula, ideal for a breakfast area. The kitchen seamlessly connects to the big double-volume living space on the opposite side of the entrance. Next to the kitchen is an elegant dining area fitted with a round dining table and colored dining chairs that can comfortably accommodate a big family. Sliding glass door of the dining space leads onto a spacious outdoor deck, ideal for outdoor living and dining. Taking advantage of the double height space, The project architects created a wall of windows to flood the living area with natural light and frame the west-facing panoramic views of the residence. The sun-soaked living area is nicely furnished with a brightly colored sofa seat, an easy chair, plus a vintage reed mat made by the Tuareg tribe of North Africa to define the lounge area. From inside, there is no single hint this is a shipping container house. The house is lush with modern finishes and furnishings, creating a comfortable, playful, and fun-filled modern interiors. The interior walls are painted white to create a feel of openness and spaciousness, eliminating that claustrophobic feel of living inside a shipping container box. To meet the client's requirements for a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom retreat, a single 40-foot container was placed on the north side of the site to accommodate 2 additional bedrooms. The separate bedroom wing was connected to the double height volume via a glassed-in walkway to create a courtyard effect. The separate bedroom wing includes 2 bedrooms, each on either end of the container, plus 1 shared bathroom in the middle. Large windows and glazed doors are fitted into either end of the container to create an indoor-outdoor connection between the bedrooms and the sloping landscape in a forested setting dominated by mature oak trees. The 2 key signature design features of the project architects are double height living spaces and wide staircases. The house has an amphitheatrical staircase which serves as a restful sitting space to enjoy the panoramic views of the sloping landscape. The container cargo doors were removed and the container docking ends fitted with full-height glazing. A mezzanine level upstairs serves as the master suite, which occupies half of the massing. An additional 10-foot container from a 20-foot container cut down into half its length hangs off the second floor to accommodate the master suite. Technically, the 10-foot container is not a cantilever, neither does it have any beams under it. The container is floating off the main structure, supported from the roof and held back in tension down to the foundation on the opposite side of the house. The master bedroom is nicely furnished with a double bed inside the 10-foot-long suspended container. In addition, there is a private lounge area awash with natural light and picturesque views of the sloping landscape. There is a spacious bathroom and a closet to complete the master suite. From outside, there is no secret this is a shipping container house. The grooves of the raw shipping containers are painted black and are visible throughout the exterior to bring out the industrial language of the design. The external corrugated metal walls were painted black to help the building recede into the landscape, while multiple floor-to-ceiling windows and glazed doors create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. The building follows the natural contours of the wedge-shaped site by placing the building on a higher ground on the wider eastern end of the plot. The exterior is nicely landscaped into its forest setting in a lush bed of ferns and other durable shrubs. Hard landscaping with decking steps down to a large outdoor space with enough room for a relatively large swimming pool, an outdoor patio space, and sizable outdoor decks. We love everything about this amazing shipping container house. The master bedroom is our favorite space in this dwelling. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.